Hey everybody, I want to show you guys a project I've been working on, and this was a playhouse for my kids. Used to have a little sand play area and a bench. They got the little fort area up here and a little climb through tube and swings on this side. So we didn't have enough room for the chickens, so I turned it all into a big chicken coop. All right, so let me show you this thing. We took their old chicken coop that we had, and we actually had all these chickens in two different chicken coops. And we took one of them and I notched out for the roof. I notched it out so it would fit flush against the side of the fort. Lined everything with chicken wire, and I added these posts and the roofing around it, so you can kind of see we got their water and food in there. I put a swing, an old cedar plank swing. I cut a piece of log to fit in there as a roosting bar, and then another roosting bar up here. And all this chicken wire all the way around. And I got chicken wire over the top, so it's fully enclosed. No predators can get in. We have the bottom sealed off. I built this door from a screen door, just cut the top off of it, and added a handle, put chicken wire on the inside of it as well. And I got two hinges because I got daughters that'll leave it open. So we got two hinges, and that'll keep it more secure. And here's our chickens. There's our chickens back there. They're enjoying their new condo life, and it shuts really secure, really nice. Now around here where the old coop is, I got it leveled up, and we're gonna have all this where that cloth is gonna be dirt. Dirt's gonna come up there to meet it, and it's gonna be grass. So it'll be kind of mounded up, and I got bricks I'm gonna seal off the inside. It's gonna look really nice. And it looks pretty decent, and we left the top to where the kids can still play in the top area. So it's gonna be really cool for the kids. They'll be able to climb through the tube and have the little fort area to play in while the chickens are below them. And I put chicken wire all through here to where they can't really, nothing can get to them. So it's fully sealed up. Really pumped about it. And the dogs they're getting used to it. They've never been around the chickens. We've always kept them separated. So the kids can still climb up and go through the tube there, and it's going to be really nice. I still do I'm going to put some flashing up to seal off when it rains, to keep it from completely drenching underneath. It's just going to be really nice. Just want to show you guys a project I've been working on, a really cool idea. If you've got an old playset and you want to convert it into like a chicken condo. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless.